everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are fixing the Steam no connection error that stops you from logging in or accessing your games. So let's get started. First of all, while you are using Steam, make sure that you are connected to an internet. Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working properly. And then you can try opening up a browser also to confirm it up that it's working, and also restart your router if necessary. Apart from that, you can run Steam as an administrator. You can hold Steam, click on it, select the option Run as Administrator, and fix it. That should almost fix the permission issues blocking the network access. And apart from that, you can just go and disable Steam beta version as well. Go to Steam, and once you are under Steam, go to Steam and select the option of Settings. And within the Settings option, you can go over to the Account option and select it. Select Account, and here, if you have that option right there, you can just go over and turn it off and select the option of None to option out of all of the beta programs and restart the Steam itself. And that should also probably fix the issue. Apart from that, you can clear the Steam cache. So press Windows plus R for that and type in Steam and type in // config. Hit enter. And that should open up the file location. You can just go over and clear out the cache and restart your Steam itself. And apart from that, you can just go over and reset your network settings. Open up command prompt as an administrator, type in cmd, run it as administrator. Click on yes, and once you do so, type in ipconfig, type in ipconfig ipconfig space /release. Hit enter. After that is then renew. ipconfig space /renew. Hit enter. ipconfig space /flush tns. Hit enter. And at last, net sh wins.